Okay, in the meanwhile, Dr. Zakir, among our Christian brethren and non-Muslim brethren in the whole, they are of the misconception that Muslims worship the Kaaba or something to do with the black stone. What is actually happening here? They are trying to drag us in a situation that is alien to our faith. Can you correct this misconception?
I agree with you, brother, that the many non-Muslims, especially the Hindus, who allege that the Muslims, though they claim that idol worship is wrong, but they are the biggest idol worshippers and they worship the Kaaba. I would like to correct my non-Muslim friends and brothers and sisters that no Muslim ever worships the Kaaba. Kaaba is our Qibla, that's the direction. We Muslims, we believe in unity. Therefore, whenever we offer prayers, salah, we believe in unity and we face in one direction. Otherwise, if there was not any fixed direction, some would have prayed south, some would have prayed north, some east, some west. For unity, all the Muslims throughout the world, they face in one direction, that is the Kaaba. Kaaba is the Qibla, it is the direction. And when we go for Hajj and Umrah, and when we circumambulate around the Kaaba, the reason we circumambulate is because it's a commandment of Almighty God and the beloved Prophet. And furthermore, logically, we can analyze that every circle has got only one center, indicating that we worship only one God. And the statement of the second Caliph of Islam, Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, he said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the book of Hajj, that I am kissing or touching the black stone just because I've seen the Prophet touch or kiss the black stone. Otherwise, this black stone can neither benefit me nor can it harm me. This statement of the second Caliph of Islam, Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, is sufficient to dispel this misconception that Muslims worship the Kaaba. And furthermore, at the time of the Prophet, there were Sahabas who stood on the Kaaba and gave the azan. I would like to ask that which idol worshipper will ever stand on the idol he or she is worshipping? This act is sufficient to prove that we Muslims don't worship the Kaaba. The Kaaba is only our Qibla, that is the direction. Hope that answers the question.
Doctor, thanks for your explanation.